up, fellas? So, I did something crazy, and I bought a boat. I don't know why I bought this boat. Actually, I do know why. To go fishing, but bought a boat off of Facebook Marketplace for 500 bucks, right? Before you even jump down my throat and say, why'd you buy a boat for 500 bucks on Facebook? You just gotta check it out. It's pretty clean. It's not that bad. And let's just get into it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but okay. That's just with the cover on. But boat and trailer, 500 bucks. It's pretty oxidated, but it's white. You know, white and blue. I'll take the cover off, reveal that to you. But here's the grand reveal. I haven't revealed it yet. It's a 1989 Sea Ray. So far it's been great. So here's the things I've done to it. So back here with the motor, I removed it when I first got it. I put a new bellows, new exhaust bellows, all new bellows, everything. I put new gear oil, a new impeller, new propeller, new tilt trim cinders, I think that's what it's called. I think that's pretty much all I've done to the back. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all I've done to the back. I put new bearing buddies on all the tires. I put the new Rhino. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me kind of zoom in for you guys. I put the new Rhino straps in the back. They're supposed to be, this one actually started messing up on me, but they're supposed to be the straps that ratchet in for you. Supposed to ratchet in, but it doesn't. All right, so let me take you guys inside the boat now. All right, so first things first, what I've done here. All right, first things first, what I've done here, I put all new switches for stereo, running lines, bilge, blower, and horn. I put a little put a car radio in here. No, it's not waterproof or anything, but I don't even use it really. I put this Amazon special steering wheel on there. That's what I done back there. Then I took out the middle bench and I put just a cooler. I don't know if I want to make that into a live well / cooler. Like when I'm out fishing, it could be my live well, and then when I'm out just recreational tubing or whatever, I could make it into a regular cooler. I don't know yet, but got storage in there. And let's check out the motor. So this motor is a 4.3 V6. What I've done to this, I rebuilt the carb, new spark plugs, new distributor cap, new wires, new riser gaskets, new thermostat, new hoses, what else did I do? New fuel filter, and I don't know what it's called, like the fuel pump, new starter, new battery. I fixed the trim sending unit, one of the, I don't know what it's called, one of these things right here. I forgot what this is called right now, but one of those was out, so I could only trim up and not down. So I think it's called like a resistor or something, I don't know. I changed out that with new oil. All the add-ons, I put the bimini top on. Then that's pretty much it, what I've done. I did have to buy a new winch post for it, because the one I'll actually show you the one that came with it. I think I'm gonna get a new one of these as well eventually. Then I did buy one of these plug and play boxes off of Amazon. Let's see if it has the brand. Oh, it doesn't have the brand name on there. So basically it's like a junction box for my trailer lights, like the old school winch post that came with it. I hated it, so I took that off and I put that new one. But yeah, I did have to buy that new winch post for the boat because that old one was just crap. It was tough to, I don't know, the way it was put on there, it was like, I don't know, I just took it off because it was old. But yeah, that's it. That's my 89 Sea Ray. I have a lot of videos of me fishing in this boat, even trolling for catfish or just anchoring and catfishing. Actually, I got another anchor for this boat because just having one anchor, and still my back is just like washing out every time. So I got another anchor so I can double anchor and just be out there fishing all day. All right, yep, that's my 89 Sea Ray. I'm gonna be out on the lake probably every other weekend, just fishing, trying to grab that big one. But make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.